Hi.
Hello.
Thank you so much for watching our YouTube channel, Learn English with Camille. And a lot of times,
Calvin, I'm here. Sorry.
we're so glad you're here. We are doing another beginner English conversation about a birthday party, planning a party. So watch this video first with the subtitles and then without. Be sure to check out my books. I have a dialogue book, a short story book. They come with free audio and they can help you in your language learning journey. So let's get started.
Let's go.
Jake, did you remember? Lily's party is next Saturday.
Ah, you're right. We should do something special for her.
Yes. How about a surprise party?
That sounds fun, but where should we do it?
Maybe at my house? We have enough space.
That's perfect.
What time should we invite everyone?
Maybe 6 p.m.? That way it's not too early or too late.
Good idea. And we should tell Lily to come at 7 p.m.
Yes, that way everyone is there before she arrives.
Jake, did you remember? Lily's party is next Saturday.
Ah, you're right. We should do something special for her.
Yes. How about a surprise party?
That sounds fun, but where should we do it?
Maybe at my house? We have enough space.
That's perfect.
What time should we invite everyone?
Maybe 6 p.m.? That way it's not too early or too late.
Good idea. And we should tell Lily to come at 7 p.m.
Yes, that way everyone is there before she arrives.
What kind of food should we have?
Pizza, of course. Everybody loves pizza.
True. And maybe some snacks and a big cake?
Yes. What about decorations?
We can get balloons and lights and a big happy birthday sign.
That sounds great. I can buy the balloons.
And I'll order the cake. What kind of food should we have?
Pizza, of course. Everybody loves pizza.
True. And maybe some snacks and a big cake?
Yes. What about decorations?
We can get balloons and lights and a big happy birthday sign.
That sounds great. I can buy the balloons.
And I'll order the cake.
So, how do we bring Lily to the party without her knowing?
We can ask her to meet at my house for a movie night.
Smart. She won't suspect anything.
Yes, and when she arrives, we all shout, "Surprise!"
She's going to love it.
I think this will be the best birthday ever for Lily.
Yes, let's make sure everything is ready before Saturday.
I'll text everyone the details.
And I'll help set up before the party.
Perfect. I can't wait.
Me neither. Lily will be so happy. So, how do we bring Lily to the party without her knowing?
We can ask her to meet at my house for a movie night.
Smart. She won't suspect anything.
Yes, and when she arrives, we all shout, "Surprise!"
She's going to love it.
I think this will be the best birthday ever for Lily.
Yes, let's make sure everything is ready before Saturday.
I'll text everyone the details.
And I'll help set up before the party.
Perfect. I can't wait.
Me neither. Lily will be so happy.
Thank you so much for watching this short conversation about planning a surprise party. Have you ever planned a party before?
I know I have, and she has surprised me on one occasion, and she did a good job.
Thank you. Yes, well, be sure to let us know in the comments. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you again next week.
Bye.
Bye.